Welcome back to Outgrow Tutorials. In this session, we'll walk through how to create an engaging fitness marketing quiz using Outgrow's AI-powered tools. From the navigation bar, select AI Marketing Tools. Here, you'll find a wide range of industry-specific options. You can either browse the categories or use the search bar. For this example, type Fitness. Select AI Fitness Marketing Tools and click Try Now. Prompt the AI with something like, create a quiz that helps users maximize their vitality. Within seconds, Outgrow's AI will generate a complete interactive draft, including relevant, audience-focused questions, personalized outcomes tailored to user responses. Remember, AI provides a strong starting point, but the real customization happens inside Outgrow. Once you're satisfied with the draft, ask AI to save it. You'll then see two options. View the pre-made quiz via the preview link. Click the edit link to open the Outgrow Builder, where you can refine and personalize the experience. On the welcome screen, add a compelling headline. Write a short, engaging description. Now insert your quiz questions. Examples include, on a typical day, how would you rate your energy levels? How many hours of quality sleep do you get per night? How often do you engage in physical activity or exercise? Continue adding questions that align with your audience's fitness journey. Create personalized results based on user responses. Under the outcome screen, for example, Vitality Champion Energy Deficient Stress. Overload map each answer option to the appropriate outcome across all questions. To capture leads, select the lead generation icon. You can place the form at the start of the quiz. Before the outcome screen, request details such as name, email address. This ensures you collect qualified leads while providing value. Head to the Overall Design tab to polish the look and feel. Upload your logo. Apply brand colors. Adjust fonts for a professional, trustworthy, and user-friendly experience. Once everything is finalized, click Go Live. You can now share the live quiz URL. Embed the quiz directly on your website. And that's it. Congratulations! You've built an interactive fitness quiz using Outgrow's AI Assistant. Ready to try it yourself? Sign up for Outgrow's free trial today and start building interactive quizzes, calculators, and assessments that engage your audience and drive results.